Boost your mental health with these proven tips. Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Haven. Today, we're diving into some essential tips that can help you improve your mental health and well-being. Whether you're feeling stressed, anxious, or just need a little boost, these strategies can make a big difference. First up, let's talk about the power of physical activity. Exercise is one of the best ways to lift your mood because it releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days. It doesn't have to be complicated. Walking, jogging, yoga, or even dancing can do the trick. Next, let's prioritize sleep. Sleep quality is essential for emotional regulation, concentration, and overall mental health. Try to establish a regular sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. And don't forget to wind down before bed, whether it's reading a book or doing a little meditation. Next, what you eat plays a huge role in how you feel. A balanced diet can do wonders for your brain, health, and mood. Focus on whole foods, lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, and try to limit processed foods, sugar, and caffeine. Next, human connection is vital for our mental health. Strong social ties can help reduce stress and keep anxiety at bay. Make time for family, friends, and loved ones. Join social groups or clubs that interest you. And remember, it's okay to reach out for support when you need it. Next, setting and achieving small, manageable goals can boost self-esteem and provide a sense of accomplishment. Break down larger tasks into smaller steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Mindfulness and meditation are great ways to stay grounded and present, helping you avoid getting caught up in negative thoughts. Set aside a few minutes each day for mindfulness practices, like meditation, deep breathing, or simply paying attention to your surroundings. Next, it's also crucial to manage stress effectively, so it doesn't take a toll on your mental health. Don't forget to identify your stressors and develop healthy coping strategies, like deep breathing, exercise, or talking to a friend. Remember, improving mental health is a journey, and it's all about finding what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Take care of your mind, and your mind will take care of you.